In today's fast-paced academic landscape, quick and secure access to online resources is essential. For students at Strayer University, adeptly navigating the login process is key to unlocking a seamless educational journey. This guide aims to lead you through the steps, ensuring you can effortlessly traverse the student portal. Before we embark on the steps, let's acquaint ourselves with Strayer University's login page. The portal can be accessed through the official website. Ensure you have your login credentials at hand. Your username and password provided by the university. Step 1. Launch the official Strayer University website. Commence by opening your preferred web browser and typing https://www.strayer.edu/ into the address bar. This will direct you to Strayer University's homepage. Step 2. Spot the Student Login section. On the homepage, locate the Student Login section, usually positioned at the upper right-hand corner. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Input your username and password. You'll be redirected to a new page where you'll enter your username and password. Exercise care to ensure accuracy and prevent any login hiccups. Step 4. Click Login. Once your credentials are entered, click the Login button to gain entry to your student account. Troubleshooting pointers. In the event of a forgotten password, utilize the Forgot Password option. Follow the instructions to reset your login details. Should you face technical glitches during the login process, promptly contact Strayer University's IT support for immediate assistance. Stay updated with more informative guides. For additional guides on university logins and other academic insights, subscribe to our channel, Student Login Guides, and click the notification bell for real-time updates. Remember, your education is a significant investment in your future. Mastering the Strayer University student login process empowers you to focus on what truly matters: your studies and academic achievements. Disclaimer: this guide is provided for informational purposes only and is not affiliated with Strayer University. All login credentials and details should be handled securely and responsibly.